Hi fellow subscribers, how are you doing? Remember this comment I left? If I get 10 subs, I'll make a video on making shorts in OBS. I already did that. And if I get 20, I'll make a video on how to make shorts on DaVinci Resolve. Well, thank you so much for 20 subscribers. Very much. I just don't know what to say, but just thank you. If you want me to get more subscribers, well, you can share who you think is interested in my content. So let's get started. So first, open up DaVinci Resolve. So after opening DaVinci Resolve, make a new project and name it whatever you want. Shorts on DaVinci Resolve. Create. Okay. Now just make a recording of OBS, as I told you in the previous video I made on that. Check it out. So let me just put in my sample shorts. Okay, let me just put this one, drag it in. So the thing I want to tell you about is don't just edit it and render it out. You have to go to File, Project Settings, and then as you see, Timeline Resolution. Make it custom. As I showed you in my previous tutorial on this, I set it to 608 by 1080. So I'm going to set it to the same as I did. So I'm going to save it, and as you see, it's 608. Now, when you after going to the Deliver tab, it already sets this to 600 by 1080. You can edit it and launch it. I know this video is short, but thank you for watching.